pores might seem stubborn, but you can actually make them look smaller, and this can be done faster than you think. The secret? Focus on boosting your skin's natural support, clearing out build-up and protecting from damage. Here are 3 quick and effective ways. Number 1, boost the collagen production. Collagen is a natural support system that keeps pores firm and tight. When collagen breaks down, pores stretch and look larger. Use ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C or retinol to boost the collagen and tighten your skin structure. Number 2, deep cleanse and exfoliate. Pores get bigger when clogged with excess oil, dirt and dead skins. Use salicylic acid to dive deep into pores and clear out that buildup. Add gentle exfoliants like glycolic or lactic acid or mandelic acid to keep your skin smooth and pore opening small. Number 3, always wear sunscreen. Sun damage breaks down collagen and this weakens your skin support, causing the pores to sag and stretch. Protect your skin every day with a broad spectrum sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher, to keep those pores firm and small.